Bats, often misunderstood creatures of the night, are fascinating flying mammals that play crucial roles in our ecosystem. Let's delve into their world. Bats are not rodents but mammals, belonging to the order Chiroptera, meaning handwing in Greek. These agile flyers have evolved wings shaped like membranes between their highly mobile fingers and toes. Their incredible ability to fly is achieved through an intricate process known as echolocation. Bats emit high-pitched sounds, listen for the echoes, and calculate the distance, location, and speed of nearby objects. This allows them to navigate, hunt, and avoid obstacles in the dark. These nocturnal creatures are excellent pollinators and seed dispersers, playing essential roles in the reproduction of various plants. Some bats feed on nectar, helping to pollinate flowers, while others eat fruits and aid in seed distribution. Bats consume insects, particularly mosquitoes and other pests, making them valuable allies in pest control. By eating tons of insects each night, they help reduce the spread of diseases like malaria and dengue fever. Bats also have a unique reproductive strategy. Female bats give birth to live young, known as pups, and nurse them with milk, just like other mammals. However, many bats are ovoviviparous, meaning their developing embryos receive nourishment from a special yolk sac inside the egg, eliminating the need for a placenta. In addition to their practical benefits, bats have been a source of intrigue in mythology and folklore for centuries. In many cultures, bats are symbols of darkness, mystery, and the supernatural. Bats are truly captivating creatures, playing essential roles in our ecosystem and providing valuable insights into the wonders of nature. From their echolocation to their unique reproductive strategies, these fascinating flyers continue to amaze us with their adaptations and contributions.